Let's now discuss acute and chronic conditions for cardiac tamponade. Acute meaning rapid onset and persisting over a short period of time, while chronic means persisting over a long period of time. Acute conditions of cardiac tamponade occurs in conditions like trauma, meaning any accident or any spontaneous injury, then post MI due to free wall rupture or aortic dissection, and pericardiocentesis is not favored in the conditions of post MI and aortic dissection. While chronic conditions of cardiac tamponade occurs in neoplasia, abnormal growth of cells, and tuberculosis. Some other conditions also lead to cardiac tamponade like idiopathic pericarditis. Pericarditis meaning inflammation of pericardium. Idiopathic means spontaneous, suddenly. Then bleeding due to post-cardiac interventions or acute pericarditis. Then suppurative pericarditis, meaning pericarditis producing pus. And at last, uremic pericarditis. Many other conditions can also arise, but these are mentioned in the lecture. Okay, thanks.